Okay. Do you know what this is? Well, if you don't, I'm gonna tell you. This happens to be a portable humidifier. A rechargeable portable humidifier. Has filters that plug in. Take it apart, put the filter in. Right there. See that? This one is still good, so I'm going to keep it in there. In the wintertime, when you have forced hot air heat, sometimes the air gets very dry in the house, especially with the heat running 24/7. So, in order to keep the air a little bit more humid, especially for the little ones, I'm just gonna set this up real quick. Since our big humidifier doesn't work anymore, we're gonna use this one in its place. It works very easily. You just sit it inside a bottle of water, plug it in, or when it's charged and it's ready to go, it starts pumping out humid air. Works pretty good. We actually take it on road trips with us. Keeps the air nice and humid, especially if you're prone to nosebleeds and the dry air bothers you. This is perfect. Nice little portable. You could put it in your pocketbook, in your backpack, in your baby bag, and take it with you wherever you go. Let's plug it in, make sure it still works. Beautiful. Got a power light. Fill up a bottle of water from the sink, but depends where you live. You know, you should always boil the water first, since this turns the water into water vapor. You're gonna wanna make sure the water's clean. I'm just gonna pour a little bit out so it doesn't overflow on us. Over to the side. Let's drop it in. Now you can see how much humidity is being made just by it sitting in a little bottle of water. It works pretty well, and I could already feel the humidity in the air. So now, if you wanted to, let's unplug this. You could even make this shorter. This comes apart, pulls right apart. Take your filter out, pop off this piece. Now you can put the short piece back on with a short filter. Now you have an even smaller one. Now you can plug it back in if it's not charged. And take your cup of water, and you could even sit it in the cup of water and it'll pump out like that. But I forgot to mention, when you put these new filters in, you should always pre-soak them. Pre-soaking them will make it work a lot faster, instead of it trying to suck up the water while it's in the tube. See? Look at that. Even in the cup of water. You put this on the nightstand next to your bed, or leave it in the car with you. If your air is feeling a little dry at work, plug it into your laptop or your USB port at your desk, and it'll make the air nice and humid. This is definitely perfect for changing the climate in your personal space. Alright, let me go set this up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.